Another reason why you guys gotta come to Serbia. The Burek, the most tasty pastry you will ever try in your life, I promise you. This is so delicious. It is a dough filled with cheese, meat. It is absolutely amazing. Look at this. This one's just cheese. This one's ham and cheese. They have ones with spinach, with different kinds of meats. It's just so tasty. My mouth is watering. This is a very popular pekara. It's a bakery here in Serbia. The other thing you have to try with the Burek is yogurt. Yogurt is delicious. I know it sounds kind of weird, but you literally just poke a hole like this in the yogurt. You take a bite of this Burek right here. And then you flush it down with some yogurt. The most tasty thing you will eat for breakfast. The Balkan people eat this a lot in the morning. You guys come here, you buy me one of these, I'll buy you one of these, and we'll have a party. Peace.